Hey YouTube, Infotech for everyone is here, and today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily remove sound from any video using Sony Vegas Pro 13. So it's quite easy and it's really simple. You just have to do is go to Start, go to Sony Vegas Pro 13 or any version, it will work for all. So once the Sony Vegas Pro has been loaded, just go to File, click on Open, select any video you like. So I have loaded this video. So now you can see I want to remove sound from this video. So if I select sound and click on delete button on my keyboard, then you can see it's removing complete video, not just sound, but the video is also getting deleted. So to fix it, you will have to do is just again drag and drop your video, just select only audio. You can see I have only selected audio in the bottom. Now you will have to do is after selecting audio, now you will press U on your keyboard, U for umbrella, and once you click on U, just right click on it, right click on the audio and click on delete. Now you can see only audio has been deleted. And another thing you will do is just right click over here and click on delete track, and now you will use only video, and this video is without audio. So guys, thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and please also like, share and subscribe to my videos. Bye.